One last example of cuttings is the mulberry plant, which is here with me right now. If anyone's ever eaten a mulberry, you may remember that there aren't many obvious or viable seeds in the berry. As we said, it always goes flower, fruit, seed. In this case, yes, the mulberry itself, the fruit, is the most obvious or interesting part of this plant, but it does not contain a seed. So then we ask our second question. Are you woody and upright? And as you can see, it is quite woody and upright in its growth. So we'll take some cuttings from this, take them over to our nursery, and get them planted out. The last example of cuttings is mulberry. Mulberry is really one of my favorite plants. It's a great goat fodder. This thick, broad leaf really is great feed for goats and rabbits and all kinds of herbivores. As well, the chickens will peck at it when it drops to the ground. Pigs eat it, so it's a great animal fodder. It naturally makes a fruit that's edible for humans, but it's also so easy to grow. Plants that really stick by cutting in an easy way and grow fast, I like to think they have a lot of life energy flowing through them. So the mulberry is definitely a case of that. It grows really easy by cutting. So as you see, there is 1 node, 2 node, 3 node, 4 node. If you're going to leave a leaf, I like to cut the leaf in half. I don't know why. I think it helps. I think the plant likes it. This bag might be a teeny bit small. You could go a bag size bigger, but as long as you get 2 nodes in there and then you use the weight of the bag to make sure you get that contact, top it up and do it again, that's a great mulberry and that will grow. I recommend mulberries in bags. You could also do mulberries in a box or in a little greenhouse, in a shady spot of the greenhouse where there's a lot of humidity. Box would have to be quite deep because you want to get at least 2 nodes. Again, there's that dead space in the cutting. I would get rid of that so you can get it deeper in the next node, deeper down. Bags are great, but also you could make a little garden bed that's in a shady, moist spot and stick them in there till they grow. I've actually had a lot of success making literally thousands of mulberry cuttings. You see how fast it is. There's 1 node, 2 node, 3 node, keep the 4th node on. There's another one. There's 1 node, 2 node, 3 node, keep the 4th node on. And there's another one. These you can make literally hundreds in an hour. And you just stick them in the ground at much closer spacing. And that way, even if half of them grow and half of them die, you still have good coverage. It grows really fast, it makes edible food, it attracts birds, feeds the animals, and it paves the way for later successional species.